All to Swamee Surya channel. This is the video number 2 on natural life. We have seen that the onset of disease is mainly due to accumulation of waste materials and toxin in our stomach and in the intestine and in the elimination tract. The main focus of Swamee Surya channel is how to remove such toxins. Nowadays, the vegetables grown, they use pesticides both for cultivation and for preservation. Such type of vegetables which we are purchasing from the market is very harmful to us. So to avoid the effect of pesticides entering our stomach, which can even cause cancer nowadays, because nowadays we can see cancer patients are increasing day by day. Mainly the reason is using such vegetables. How to make such vegetables edible and harmless? So this tip we want to give. This will help so many people from the onset of disease. Immerse these vegetables, the day-to-day vegetables which you are going to. So suppose you are using half kilo of vegetables. Immerse this vegetable in water for half an hour along with salt and turmeric powder. Keep the vegetable in that water for half an hour, then take it out and wash it thoroughly. Then it will be safe. Then cook it. So this is the one way of escaping from the poison. Even in Bhagavad Gita, it is told in chapter 6, Yuktahara Viharasya Yukta Cheshtasya Karmasu Yukta Swapnavabodhasya Yogo Bhavati Dukkhaha. Yuktahara, we have to eat only ideal food, sattvic food. Our contacts, dealings with the public should be such in the ideal way. We should take sufficient rest. We should do only sattvic karmas. When these are all followed, we can have a peaceful life. There will be no regret in our life. So Swamee Surya channel, through this nature life, is focusing only on these suggestions which are given in Bhagavad Gita. So today's video is mainly to bring to your knowledge the necessity to bleach the vegetables which we are using day to day. This is very safe. You can yourself understand that nowadays cancer patients are increasing. The main reason for onset of cancer is using the vegetables which are full of pesticides. Compulsorily remove this and then use it. In our Google Meet, we are having 1 hour 20 minutes meditation session, 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock one session, 6 o'clock to 6:20 second session. So anybody is interested, they can attend both the sessions, or if time is not there, at least attend the session from 6 to 6:20 a.m. in our Google Meet. Contact us over our phone number. It is given in the description box. We will give you the link. There, every day we are giving tips which we gather from our Vedas, Puranas, Upanishads and nature life. You will get lot of information every day. Along with that, you will get around 15 minutes time to meditate. Meditation is the foundation to lead our life happily. Without meditation, other things will not work out easily. Meditation is the foundation. So please pay attention for meditation. Don't think that 20 minutes is a waste of time for you. It is a treasure. It will build your body. It will make your mind very strong. Kindly pay attention for this meditation. Contact us for that. And if you like this video, please subscribe and share it to your friends and relatives and implement everything in your life for a safe, prosperous and peaceful life. Thank you all.